Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another video. Today we do have this beautiful red box from Simbans, and this box is all about a tablet. This tablet is called Tango tab. Now I will be doing unboxing and mini review for this tablet. If you guys be interested, you can check the link on the description box where you can purchase this tablet. This tablet is right now available in Amazon for a price tag in the US for $130. Now without any further ado, let's find out. Now let's go ahead and have a quick look on the main specifications of this tablet. Starting with the display, we have 10.1 inch 1280 x 800, which is considered only high definition, is not full high definition. I will look and see how good that display later on in the video. Now the tablet also comes with 64 GB for internal memory, which is great in my opinion. You have the option to add SD card, 3 GB of RAM. This is great in my opinion. Now the operating system that came with this out of the box will be Android 9, Android Pie. Also this tablet feature USB-A, so full USB, which is weird, something I never seen before in tablet. I'm excited to see how this work. Also built-in GPS and dual Wi-Fi bands, Bluetooth, and the screen made out of IPS LCD, so that should be promising for the screen. I will check this later on in the video. Now the tablet has camera on the front and camera on the back, which is I'm going to test out later on in the video. I can't wait to see this tablet. And also this tablet has HDMI output where you can connect it to a larger TV. So I just took the box over here. The first thing you will see, thank you letter from Simbans, and here is the tablet itself. There you go. Let's take that off, and here's the name, Tango tab. And as you guys can see, this is a matte black finish over here. It feels like soft, like a rubbery thing, but it feels so good in hands, and no fingerprint will be printed on the back of the tablet itself. And also I've been told it comes with gifts actually. Let's check what that gift is. I think the first one that came with a pre-installed screen protector. All you have to do, just peel this and you have screen protector, which is great in my opinion. I'm gonna sit the tablet on the side and look to the other content that comes with. There you go. So you will have a quick start guide, so that should give us some information. There you go. Let's set this on the side as well. And here is the nice gift. Actually, that is a case, which is nice. Also, it has the company logo over here. This is actually nice. Let's go ahead and open it. For $130, I can't complain if it comes with this nice case over here. And as you guys can see, this case also has protection for the puzzle itself and camera cutout for the front facing camera. As you guys can see, we will check this one later on, and it feels like it's leather actually. It feels very premium, and it has a stand as well, so you can stand and watch things, which is great in my opinion. Let's set this here and check here. Here I believe it will be the charging, and this actually has DC charging something. Oops. Alright, so we have a traveling adapter, so anywhere in the world when you travel you should use this adapter, and you shouldn't have any problem in charging. You can still use, and it has also USB cables. Let's go ahead and open it, have a closer look. Here you go. This is a USB-A to DC output, as you guys can see. I think this will be plugged in the power brick over here. Tablet, I don't think it supports fast charging, but here is the charger itself. looks nice. And then you have USB-A, and this DC cable go in the USB here, and then you can charge your tablet. Now we have another USB cable. Let's go ahead and have a look. That would be just a regular mini USB. I may try to check if the mini USB cable charges the tablet with another charger. I'll check this one also. I will let you know later on in the box. So this is basically everything that came with the box itself. So we have the nice case over here, and we have the tablet itself and the USB cables. Now the HDMI cable doesn't come with, so you have to buy it separately if you want to connect it to a TV or a larger TV. Let's get this powered on. Here should be the power key, and we have the volume keys, and as you guys can see, the tablet itself just got turned on. And then we have I think this, if you get a keyboard or something, so that should be additional accessory for the tablet. And then let's go ahead and have a look on the side. First thing, we'll see a headphone jack, mini USB, and then the HDMI and USB-A. And then we will have a microphone, and we have a place where we can actually add the SD card. That should go from here. Doesn't support SIM cards, by the way. At least this version's only Wi-Fi. And we have the camera on the back, and then here's the volume keys and the power key. Actually feels good, and it seems to me good quality tablet. And here is the front facing camera, but it looks like it has a very big bezel. They could done better job actually to make it look smaller, but that's not the case over here. But anyways, we're gonna set this up actually, and then we will try to download applications and games, and we'll test the camera, the screen, and some other feature that should came with. And then I'm gonna come back to you with my first impression and my opinion. Now I'm here again after spending 3 hours with this tablet. I tried to find out many things about this tablet. First of all, I tried to find out the model of the processor, which is MediaTek 8163. So the performance is not too shabby. This is a low-end processor, so you guys not gonna expect the best performance. As well as this tablet is not expensive tablet, so you guys not gonna expect to get the best of this tablet, of course, regarding to the performance. Now also I tried to plug mini USB 2 to charge the battery just to see if it works or not. Actually, surprisingly, show me sign of battery charging, but it didn't go any further. Actually, it stayed on the same percentage, so it seems to me you still have to use the same charger, which is the DC adapter that came with the tablet. Also, one of the things I was trying to find out the size of battery, since the website doesn't specify the size of battery. All it says it's built-in battery, which is, I don't know, this says like lithium battery, but doesn't say the size of battery. I've downloaded CPU-Z, and CPU-Z unfortunately doesn't tell you exactly what the size, but it shows here, because I've looked to the voltage, it shows 4000 milliamp, so it could be 4000 to 5000 milliamp. Now for performance of the battery, it seems to me very decent. I have received almost like 8 hours to 7 hours screen on time. That depends on what you actually do on the screen, and depends also to the screen brightness level that consume also more. So in average, I would say 7 hours screen time, and this is in my opinion great for a 10-inch tablet. Now for the screen, if I want to judge this screen based on the quality, it's not too shabby. It's not the best brightness, it's not the best angle of view, and it's not the best resolution, of course. But if you're gonna take the price, compare it with the quality, I would say the quality of the display is decent. It's not the best thing about this tablet that the display, of course. I see when you look from the side, you will see that the colors will drop a little bit, and when you play some games, because the screen kind of big in the tablet, you will see actually big flaw, because high resolution doesn't show you the best performance for gaming or even videos, because this tablet, when you also play videos on YouTube, you're not gonna get more than 720. So for 10-inch, you guys are not gonna have the best experience for the display, but for the price, I can't complain about the display. Now, one of the things I normally like to test in any product, it would be the speaker. The speaker in this tablet fire from the side, and that speaker is mono speaker. So when we get a mono speaker, we don't expect the best volume, the best bass or treble. So normally this speaker is just gonna sound just okay, just fine, and you guys gonna expect $50 phone sounds the same as this tablet. I'll let you hear the sound so that way you can judge by yourself. Now I know the speaker is not too good, but you still have a headphone jack. You can add external speaker or Bluetooth speaker, as well as you can connect this tablet to your TV, and you can use and utilize the TV, the big stereo speaker, and you can enjoy more if you wanna either play games or play videos or anything you like to play in that tablet. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, the tablet comes with Android 9 out of the box. Now, this operating system doesn't have any additional features. It doesn't have a custom skin, so it works as a stock. And as you guys can see, if we just look to all the applications, all these applications are stock. We have YouTube, YouTube Music, Google Play Store, Google Photo, and then some application I have downloaded on the tablet. So no extra junk, no extra apps that's not needed on the tablet itself. Also, the skin, it's very light. That's why I'm so impressed with the performance of this tablet for the software. I mean, going or moving from application to game to application, I haven't noticed that this tablet lags or give me any problems. Actually, I was very happy in the performance of the software back to the stock Android. Now, when you have a good software experience, also that means the hardware of the device itself helps a lot. Now, 3 GB of RAM and 64 for internal storage, and MediaTek processor, it's kind of low processor, so it doesn't help a lot if you want to push this tablet to the limit. But I would assume people maybe wants to buy a tablet like this, they don't want to do heavy games, they're not purchasing something with low price, they're gonna expect to get the best performance, especially for gaming. Maybe people, they want to buy this tablet, people, they're more willing to do some office work, or they want to watch YouTube, they want to connect this tablet to the TV or watch it on a bigger screen. They might be doing internet surfing, things like that, and this tablet, it would be a great fit to them. Back also to 3 GB of RAM and 64 for internal memory. This will help you a lot. Now, even I'm not expecting to get the best high performance, especially for gaming, I have decided to give it a try. I have downloaded Asphalt 9, I play Asphalt 9. First of all, the resolution was low, as I said at the beginning of the video when I talked about the display. That didn't help the game to look good, especially with 10-inch. And then I've noticed some lagness, and the frame was not smooth, so I said you could play the game, but you're not gonna have the best experience. Now, playing 2D games, light 3D games like Temple Run, you should have no problems or whatsoever. So before you decide to purchase this tablet, you need to know what you need this tablet for. Surfacing internet, do some business with it, you want to connect it to a larger screen, this will help you a lot. But if you want to buy a tablet and you're gonna expect to play video games and heavy games, this is not going to be a choice for you. Now, one of the most things I normally focus on when I review a cell phone or tablet, it would be the camera. So this tablet has 2 cameras. It will be one in the front, 5 megapixel, and another 5 megapixel camera on the back. But as everybody knows, like when you purchase a tablet, normally you don't get the best quality of the tablet. And no exception here for this tablet. The quality is way far away from decent for the camera in this tablet. And let me show you, I took 2 pictures, I was not focusing on the camera. and actually I took one in a selfie, and the quality is absolutely terrible. And also I use the back camera indoor. Actually I have decent light, and the quality was so bad and so much noise in the picture. But anyways, as everybody knows, in general all tablets doesn't have the best quality cameras. Now the Tango Tab, it would be a great tablet for people on the budget. Actually the tablet came with a decent price tag, $130, considering the tablet has HDMI where you can connect to a larger TV, has a full USB-A, and it has dual band for Wi-Fi, and taking a lot of things in consideration, plus also the tablet shipped with a case. Actually it's a great thing in my opinion. So if you want to buy this tablet and you want to surface the internet, watch videos, download some applications, Facebook app, Instagram, all these things, it would be a great, and I cannot complain for the price of this tablet. And that was very much it for that video. I wish you guys enjoy and find this video helpful, and if it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos here on Variety Stick, and don't forget to hit the bell so that way you will be notified when I post videos in the future. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we'll see you in the next video.